G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. And did it again. Bought another Mercedes. Couldn't resist it. Another deal of the century. It's a Mercedes-Benz E240 2003 model. Let's check it out. You can see the exterior of the car. It's in very nice condition. No real damage to the car. There's a very light scuff there on the front guard, which I think will polish out. Nice alloy wheels, no dents or anything in the car. That's just a mark on the bit of dust. Same with that. I think a woman's had it. You can see sort of scratches from fingernails, but nice car. Very respectable, I think. And the Mercedes 6 cylinders, the V6s, they go really, really well. Got fantastic power, so yeah. I think it was a bargain. Another bargain of the century. So this is a really nice car to drive. 177,000 Ks, as I said, one owner car. Really good power. It's a 320 E320 2003 model. It was one family owner. I think they had about 5 Benzes, and obviously didn't want it anymore. And it's got a few little bits and pieces that need sorting out. Bit of chrome off one of the driver's door handle. That's nothing. I'll buy another handle for that. It's missing its badges on the back. Maybe they de-badged it. I don't like that, so I ordered the badges to go on the back. And yeah, it's terrific. Let's check it out interior wise and see what I've got. So you can see this door handle here, the chrome's come off. Maybe a woman with a ring or something like that might have been the reasoning behind that. The other door handles are fine. Really nice instrumentation, and a couple of malfunctions on it. There's some electronic issue. I think the rear parking sensors are off. I'll get that fixed. It's got the auto headlights, which is pretty standard fare. It was it's due for a service at 186,000. So literally it only did about 1,000 Ks after it was last serviced. But that was about, so there's 2 malfunctions there. Service brake, so it's parking brake. I haven't even tried it, and some electrical consumers switched off. Now, I don't know what that means, or maybe that's something to do with the parking sensors, I'm not sure. So they're the 2 malfunctions. It does have a phone, but it's in pieces, so I need to get another phone. I can probably get one from the wreckers, I think. Not that I'm really that fussed on it, but you're just scrolling through. Maybe if I can... I like to run the digital speedo just with speed cameras these days. That's a good thing to have. Yes, it's exceeded the service E. Now, I've heard service A and B on Mercs, but not service E. I don't know what that means, so I'll have to look into that. By 392 days, so it's just been sitting around. That's the thing with this car. That's why the family got rid of it. It had been sitting around for over a year and just no one had really been using it. So I will give it a service. It seems to be running fine. I've just put fresh fuel in it, because obviously that fuel is pretty old. You can see there the kilometres, 177,515. You can check the engine oil when its engine's switched off. But yeah, and it's really nice dual climate control. Quite like that. Sort of, you got just a little temperature there. It's quite simple, isn't it? You just got the number there, you just dial it to what you want for both passenger and driver. And then you just got this rotating sort of where you want the air, down your feet or up high. I just sort of have it at kind of the middle. And then fan speed, again, high and low, pretty basic. I don't know if that's for a phone or a trinket or whatever that is. It's kind of funny. There was no books with it, unfortunately. I really would have loved the books. So probably gonna have to buy some books. I had to also glue some of this Alcantara was sort of coming adrift there. The battery was absolutely dead flat. But look at this. This is an Elegance edition. Beautiful wood grain. I really like that. This was broken off. I fixed that. This is the console, and I'll show you the phone. That's the phone. Looks like a giant rat's been in there. I don't know. Not really, but it's been taken apart. I'll have to get another phone for it. More just for appearances. I'm not going to use the phone. Stereo works really nicely. It's got automatic headrest down. Maybe I can show you that. And little hazard lights and everything. Just, yeah, everything's working really well. Beautiful leather interior. If you just sort of swirl around here, you can see that. Really nice. Nice headlining. Everything's, missing a cover here, so I need to get one of those. It's got it on this one, so it's just a pretty basic thing. But I need another door. I have to lubricate. That's a bit noisy, but the headlining's slightly dropped here, but nothing too bad at all. It's got the automatic, the mirror up here as well. But really nice car. 5-speed auto, 3.2 litre, 6-cylinder. So I'm wrapped with it. No, I didn't need another bloody Mercedes-Benz, that's for sure, after I bought the S420. But it's a nice car. And the car's got really good tyres, automatic locks. Once you go over a certain speed. Cruise works. Very cool. Very cool indeed. So I hope you enjoyed that episode on the Mercedes E320, 2003 model. Fantastic deal. Couldn't resist it. I've spent a little bit of money fixing it up here and there. The rear bumper needs a bit of work, so it'll end up costing more than that, but terrific deal. One owner, 177,000 Ks. I'm not sure. I looked up the price for it new. It was like 140, 150 grand, something ridiculous. So that's a lot of depreciation. Anyway, please give the episode a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a future episode. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.